Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Claire. And welcome din po sa mga bago sa YouTube channel ko. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification bell as well. Well, for today's video, what we're going to do is I will try to dye my own hair. Yup, I know bagong hair color lang siya, but since it's pandemic and we cannot do anything, it's so boring, wala akong magawa dito sa bahay. At also, I will just do experiments about this hair, kung gumagana ba talaga yung hair color using only crepe papers. So, yan. Sana hindi ko pagsisihan what will the outcome will be. Let's just be brave and accept the fate. So, without further ado, guys, let's start to the video. I'll see you later. So here guys, yung mga gagamitin ko for the hair color is I have these 4 pieces of crepe papers. Any brand will do. And then, I will just get a scissor. Tapos, gugupitin ko lang siya into strips. Tapos, lalagay ko siya dito sa may isang malaking batiya or timba. Pero yan. Yan. Itatry ko muna yung magiging outcome ng isang piraso ng crepe papers. Tapos kapag hindi ako satisfied with the color, I will just another piece ng crepe papers. So, tapos after this one, mag-add lang tayo ng hot water. Addition ng hot water para lang malusaw yung color niya at saka lumabas. This is enough. Yan na siya guys. Medyo mainit pa siya ng konti. So, ang gagawin natin is, papalamigin lang natin siya ng konti kasi hindi natin siya pwedeng mapiga kasi it's really hot. So, yan. Dahil medyo maligamgam na siya at kaya na ng water, pwede na natin pigain yung papers para mas lalong lumabas yung colors niya. Yan. Wow. Sana kumulay siya sa hair. Yan guys, since wala tayo sa may parlor and nasa bahay lang tayo, what we're going to do is, yung sofa is dinugtungan ko lang ng monoblock chair and then dyan natin nilagay yung basin. Medyo inclined siya para pababa siya. So, ang gagawin mo is may higa na lang dito tapos ililay down lang yung hair dyan. And then, ibababad lang natin siya for certain hours, for certain minutes or maybe hours also. So, yep, let's start.
Kita, okay lang?
Yeah.
Ginagawa mo.
So guys, yan siya. Ibababad na natin. Well, kung kaya mong hawakan, mas maganda kung may gloves ka na gamit. Tapos, tsaka mo siya pigain ng using yung kamay mo. Pero maganda yan, nakababad sa dyan. Oh my God, there's no turning back! So yeah, pagpalain tayo ng Diyos.
2,000 years later.
Highlights na lang. Okay, guys. This is after 30 minutes. Tapos, papatuyin ko na yung hair ko para makita ko if lumabas talaga yung color niya. So, hi guys! This is the final look for now. Ito yung outcome niya right after i-blow dry yung hair ko na nakasoak sa may colored crepe papers earlier. So, yan. Tomorrow, since mag-wash tayo ng hair, papakita ko ulit sa inyo yung magiging color na niya. Kasi, feeling ko mag-iiba siya ng color by tomorrow. So, yeah, let's just see how it turns out. Hi guys! So, as promised, papakita ko sa inyo yung outcome nung pag-hair color ko yesterday. So, ngayon, bagong blower na siya, na-wash out ko na siya, shampoo with conditioner, and then, yan, blow dry ko na siya. And, ito yung outcome na lumabas. Wow! Yan! Kumalor naman siya, pero hindi ko lang alam kung ilang days or ilang weeks siya maglalast. Pero yan, at least kumalor siya ng color pink. So if you want to try the crepe paper hair color thing, pwede mo na siyang gawin. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, write down your comment if you have any suggestions, and then click the notification bell as well para updated ka na sa new videos ko. Guys, babae pala yan ha. Kaibigan ko yan. Hindi yan lalaki ha. Alam mo naman, baka ma-issue nyo ako dyan. Hoy, kumaway kayo! Yan. Si Mutia and si Naya, nagtatago sila doon kasi nahihiya sila. So, yan guys. Nahihiya sila. Well, I'll see you on my next vlog. Take care, stay at home. Love you. Mwah.